2023 Range Rover Sport D300 Dynamic SE, but just have a little look at that car. It looks superb, and it's the way it's been spec'd. It's in Fuji White, it's got a full black exterior pack, it's got 23-inch wheels, it's got side steps, it's got the contrasting black roof, it's got the cloud interior. It's just a really, really good looking car. And they're all spec'd differently, but I just think the way that car sits and looks there, when it's broken up with the black, the 23s, the contrasting roof and the cloud inside just makes it. It's also got a sliding sunroof, so it's got really, really tremendous spec. The car's retailing for about £16,000 less than the list price. That's very important. You've got all your Land Rover warranty and Land Rover Assist till 26. The black pack gives you all the inserts, the badging, all the sections of the front bumper, the front splitter, and you can see that just breaks it up lovely. You get the black sections on the top of the bonnet and on the wings. Big, big extra, 23s, in gloss black, multi-spoke, all black, and they've opted for the black calipers as well. Side steps, privacy, the contrasting roof just really, really makes a difference. Then you've got cloud inside. The dynamic bumpers, you get black around the rear spoiler in gloss black, privacy, just a really good looking car, that car. The steps as well, you've got your, look at these lovely LED lights at the back, your deployable handles. Now let me show you the cloud interior. Just gonna, actually, car's keyless entry, so they'll see these little buttons here, press that, the car opens, and then you've got this lovely cloud and ebony. So you've got rear electric seats, Meridian speaker, rear heated seats, cloud, ebony, and then cloud in the other side there. You can see the roof lining is in ebony as well. I think that's important. I think sometimes if you've opted for the cloud interior, but then the roof lining is light, I think it's a bit too much, where I think with the cloud on the seats, on the steering wheel, across the display, you've got to have the darker roof line. You've got memory seats. The seats as well are bigger, they're more comfortable, the 20-way adjustable and the heated. You've got a heated steering wheel, you've got adaptive cruise, you've got a digital cockpit in front as well. 13.1-inch Privy Pro screen. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise. Your digital cockpit, the 13.1-inch Privy Pro, which has got all your cameras and everything I'll just show you. So you've got full 360 camera, which is superb. And everything, you look at the size of that screen. You've got wireless charging under here, you've got wireless Apple CarPlay. I'll show you the seats. So I touched on it there, the heated, but if you go to adjustments, there's lots of different lumbar, cushion, bolsters, lots of different features on the seats. They're very, very adjustable and they're very, very comfortable. Every person who's bought a new Sport for me have been impressed by the seats. Multimedia, Bluetooth, all the things you would expect, front and rear heated screens. Moving up, very important, big extra, tilting and sliding sunroof. On the new Sport, you get glass roof as standard, but you don't get it sliding. So it's got the tilt and sliding sunroof. I think it's about £1,200 plus VAT. Into the back, electric boot, huge boot space. If you want to drop them seats down, again, all adjustable from the little buttons here. So that's another Range Rover Sport. It's priced right, it's thousands and thousands less than list, but I just think what I like about that one, the colour of the roof, the interior of the wheels, it just sits and looks fabulous. It's going live on the website. Thank you for watching.